Welcome to Vintage Variety. I have a fun unboxing to share with you guys today, or in this case, unbagging. Now there is a lot of jewelry in this bag, so heads up, I'm going to do this in two parts. Today is going to be part one. We're going to do half the bag, and next Saturday part two will be up and we'll look at the other items in the bag. Very hard to do because I really do want to look in here and see what all is in the bag, but just to keep the content from not running quite so long. I did want to tell you all this jewelry was gifted to me, and I'll tell you the backstory behind it. I have a cousin, we're the same age. As little kids, we were playmates, we kind of grew up together, and we've remained close over the years. So just generosity of spirit on her part, she decided that she would drop in every so often to her local thrift stores and thrift jewelry to gift to me. And all of these items were thrifted over quite a few months, so there's a lot of stuff in here. She did put a note in here for me. I'm going to read that off camera and I'll be right back. The note was really sweet, guys, and it does explain that this is a mixture of all sorts of different types of jewelry, and there's going to be at least one repair piece in here. So lots of good looking items so far. I can see through the plastic bags, and I think that's going to be about half. So I'm going to put the other half aside, and I'll do that for the second part of the content. There's a lot of items here. It may not look like it, but she's bagged up everything individually so it's nice and neat. So let's open up this first bag. So this is going to be modern costume. See what we have here. This is a statement necklace. Ooh, I love the colors in this. Beautiful color combination. We have kind of like a green, and I would say that's a soft amber yellow color. It is adjustable. Let's go ahead and have a quick look at this necklace on the necklace stand. So just a cute modern little fashion piece, but great to throw on with any outfit. I think this is going to be another necklace. Okay, so this is a set. Here are the earrings. Ooh, I like those. Very pretty, kind of turquoise color. And this one's marked. This is Erica Lyons, for those of you that aren't familiar with that brand. She makes some really nice fashion jewelry. It's adjustable. And this one is a combination of turquoise and green. It goes perfectly with the earrings. I think this is really pretty. It looks like it may have had something dangling from the beads. Not sure, but either way, it's still wearable, and I really like the looks of this set. This looks like it's going to be some brooches, and you guys know I love a good brooch. There's just so many different ways you can wear a brooch. Oh, I like this. What's going on here on the back? Is that a part of the brooch? No, I think this is an earring that's hung on there. And here's the other earring in the bag. Oh, these are cute. Tiny little gold tone fish earrings. Aren't those adorable? Very nice. I really do like these. So this brooch is marked. This one is by Victoria's Secret, and I love the way it has the piece dangling at the bottom of it. It's a larger brooch. Hopefully you guys can see the marking on the back. I'll zoom in a little. There it is, Victoria's Secret. I've ran across a few pieces of their jewelry before, and I feel like they're pretty well-made pieces. I think this would be a fun brooch to wear because it is larger. So pieces like this look really good. They make a great statement when you're wearing them on, let's say, the lapel of a jacket, or even on a really pretty blouse. Oh, I like this. Now this is vintage. It's silver tone. It looks like a fern leaf. And this one's marked. So this is a Jerry's brooch. And I think that Jerry's is a really good brand if you're just getting into collecting to collect. It's easier to run across their pieces, but not so much as it used to be. This looks like another necklace. Silver tone. Okay, I like this too. It has a combination of glass beads and silver tone beads. This one is branded. So this says I think that's 1946. This is a Cato brand in case you aren't familiar with it. And I do like their jewelry. I have a couple of pieces of their jewelry in my personal collection that I like to wear. So give you guys a really good look at it. This one is a double strand necklace. So this would be perfect for just putting it on and wearing it as it is or layering with other pieces. It looks like we have some more brooches in this bag. I'm going to take them all out and then we will have a look at them individually. Oh wow, I love this. This is an enameled giraffe brooch and their necks are kind of intertwined. I don't see any markings on this, but this does remind me of Monet because Monet did a lot of enameled pieces like this, but that is really adorable. This one looks like one of those old umbrellas. It does have enameling on it with a purse dangling from it. How cute is that? Not sure about the age of this one. It does look to be slightly older. I don't see any markings on it, but I think it's absolutely adorable. I love how it's got the little purse dangling from it. This one, I'm going to go ahead and close this up. Don't want to stick myself. So this is in the shape of a wreath. It's unsigned. It looks like pewter. And then it has enameled flowers on the front of it. So this would be perfect to wear during the holiday season. And I really like the fact that it's got that black and gunmetal tone to it. I saw this one earlier. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Pretty sure this is a pair of vintage earrings. Oh yeah, these are nice. These look a lot like Sarah Coventry. They're not signed anywhere, but I do have a really pretty Sarah Coventry brooch that these earrings would look absolutely perfect with. This looks like necklaces. In fact, it looks like there's quite a few necklaces in this bag. I'm really liking the combination of colors here. We have some gold tone, some blue. These are glass beads. And you know what? This is one necklace. So this is a statement necklace. It looks like the pieces hook in the back. And I think maybe one of these are detachable. Okay, so I really like the way this is put together. I think it was a great idea. So this is a multi-strand necklace. You can see in the back where the pieces hook together. And then you can remove one of the strands. Show you guys right here on the side. And wear it a different way. So I think this is a really cool looking necklace. And I do like the way it's constructed because you could wear this so many different ways. So this is a really neat item to have. Wanted to show this necklace to you guys on the necklace stand. Now I'm going to take it off. And from what I can tell with this, there's only one strand that's removable. And I'm starting to wonder if this originally went with this necklace, mainly because it's got a clasp on it that looks a lot like J. Crew. Now, of course, you can buy this type of clasp, like if you like to make jewelry. And I don't see a tag on it, but this really does look like a J. Crew necklace, and I'm thinking maybe someone added it to the other necklace. So this is the necklace without that strand attached to it. So I'm kind of leaning towards, hey, somebody just hooked that on there. And now I'm going to show you the other necklace by itself. And this is how it looks on the necklace stand. So just a really great idea if you like to make jewelry. You can kind of make a connector on the back like that so you can add and remove strands of necklaces. So I thought it was really a unique design and I wanted to share it with you guys. Another bag of brooches, and I already see a few in here that I really like. Look at this. How cute is this? A tiny bouquet of red roses. You guys know I love floral jewelry. But then again, there are so many different types of jewelry that I love. I seem to like everything. So this one's a butterfly. Oh, that's really pretty. This one's definitely going to be a keeper for me. And this one's marked. It is Sarah Cove. I don't have any butterflies in my Sarah Coventry collection, so I'm really excited about this one. Very pretty. Now this is also what I would call a keeper. This just has that classic look to it. This one is also signed. We'll have a look at the marking on it. I'm just going to get it closed up. So this one is by BSK, and they have some really great jewelry. Always like running across their pieces. Love the design of this. It's a larger brooch, and it has that textured look to it, along with a smooth finish. So very, very classic. This one is absolutely gorgeous. Very pretty Christmas brooch. You know what, guys? It's upside down. This would be perfect to wear this time of year with the holidays coming up. Green enameling, rhinestones set into it. I'm going to take it off the card that it's on or the cushion that it's on, and we'll have a good look at the back of it. I really do like this. I think this would look great on a sweater or even looped through maybe some red glass beads. Wouldn't that be pretty to wear around the holidays? This one is signed. This one is Avon, and it is from the early 2000s. So definitely a beautiful brooch to wear during the holiday season. This is going to be another necklace, I think. I'm already liking the peachy tone colors of this. And I'm not really sure if peach looks that great on my skin tone, but it is a color that I absolutely love. I have quite a few different pieces of clothing that have a peach tone to it. So this reminds me of cha-cha bracelets. The pendant on this is done in that cha-cha style. And I think this one is supposed to be tasseled at the bottom, just a little bit tangled up. But you know what? I'm going to put it on the necklace stand so that you guys can get a better look at it. I really do love the combination of the peach beads, the pearls, and the beads with the rhinestones. Here's a look at this one on the necklace stand, and just as I thought, it does have a chained tassel at the bottom. How cool is this? Wouldn't this look awesome layered with some strands of pearls? I think it would look fabulous. This one is also going to be a necklace. And just looking at the colors in this, I think this would look really good layered with that necklace and earring set that I opened up earlier, because it does have the turquoise color in it. This one is also signed. This is Erica Lyons, and I believe that the necklace and earring set that I opened up earlier that I said would go well with this was also by her. Love the combination of beads on this. There's some glass beads, some dyed shell, what looks like mother of pearl, and there's even some really pretty turquoise colored howlite. This is a great layering piece for layering with other necklaces, and because there's so many different colors of beads in it, it would go with just about anything. Here's a look at this beautiful necklace on the necklace stand. This necklace is a longer length, a great piece for layering. So I've doubled it up on the necklace stand, and this is the necklace that had the matching earrings. Both of them are by Erica Lyons, and I think that they look fabulous together. Here we have another mini collection of brooches. I already see a beautiful floral brooch in here. Oh, I didn't realize this one was in here. This was hiding on the bottom. How gorgeous is this? I love the overall design of it. I don't see any markings on it. It does look vintage to me. These are faux pearls, but I like the way that they're layered around the outside of the brooch. I could really see myself wearing this pinned to some pearls, or even just pinned to the lapel of a blouse. This I absolutely love. It's done in a gold tone and gunmetal color, and of course it's a floral brooch, which floral brooches are always one of my absolute favorites. I have quite a collection of these, and I do love wearing them, especially during the wintertime. I like putting them on sweaters because it reminds me of warmer weather. This is a lovely little domed brooch. Don't see any markings anywhere on it. I thought that might have been a marking in the center, but I don't think so. Now on this one, it is missing a couple of rhinestones, but that is just the easiest fix ever. Just a little bit of jewelry glue, and I'll pull from my stash of rhinestones and have that one looking as good as new in no time. So in this, we have something that is boxed, and it's always fun opening up a box, especially if it has jewelry in it. Okay, she has a note in here. I broke this. I'm sure you can fix it. I always keep supplies on hand for making repairs. Really love the peach tones in this. And what's so neat about this is some of the pieces are enameled and some of them aren't. They have cabochons. Right there is where this came loose. So this just needs a jump ring in the same color to put it back together. But this is a beautiful statement necklace. It has all of these gorgeous rhinestones in it. And I think this would layer well with some pieces that I already own. So I'm going to set this to the side, and I will make a repair on it, and it'll be as good as new. And this one was also marked. This is another Erica Lyons necklace. She makes some really pretty jewelry. I'm going to put everything together in the box and set it to the side, just so that I will remember to make a repair to it. There was another box in the bag under this one, so we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Oh, this is nice. So this is a Cato brand, new on the card, and I like jewelry like this that you can interpret it any way you want to. So let's say I wore this on a blouse. It could be interpreted as being a flower because it does have that look to it. Or I could wear it on a Christmas sweater during the holiday season, and it kind of looks like a snowflake. So this is a really fun item, and I think I will definitely be wearing it. A big shout out to my cousin for being so thoughtful and thinking of me. There were a lot of great pieces in this bag so far. We had some branded pieces, some modern costume, some vintage pieces, and lots of absolutely gorgeous brooches. You guys let me know in the comments which items were your favorites, and if you enjoyed today's content, please remember to give me a thumbs up. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to share these items with me. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Ring the bell for notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.